School-aged children, transition to school and readiness. Readiness behaviors. Schools often focus on child-level social, emotional, physical, and cognitive competencies when assessing school readiness. Upon entering kindergarten, children are expected to recognize their name, shapes, colors, letters, and have some understanding of number sense and quantity. The most common readiness behaviors teachers are looking for are academic achievement, classroom adjustment, and mental health. Children who apply themselves more and seem more excited about school tend to have a better classroom adjustment than those who exhibit problem behaviors and appear to have limited adaptability behaviors and skills. Problem behaviors. Once children become school-aged, typically 5 to 12 years of age, they are expected to participate in a much more structured learning environment. The most common problem behaviors identified in the classroom are difficulty working independently and failure to follow directions. The failure to follow directions could just be a lack of ability for children to focus after coming from more preschool environments where they have much more free time to do their own thing and activities versus sitting in a classroom and having to sit down and listen to what a teacher is teaching. Poor social emotional skills during childhood has also been linked to have impacts on development as adults. Some of these impacts include unemployment, mental health issues, and criminal behavior. Effects of child maltreatment and shy children entering school. Stress due to maltreatment can result in lower cognitive development and language and social stimulation. Maltreated children show more signs of internalizing stress during the transition to school. This can result in emotional dysregulation. Shy children may also experience a more difficult transition into school. These children often experience a difference in fit between temperament and behavior expected in the classroom. Children are typically expected to be more outgoing and answer questions and be more involved. This can be hard for some shy children. Parents and teachers can be supportive of these children by monitoring their progress and offering opportunities for them to grow. An example of this would be teachers taking the time to individually help children in their problem-solving skills, and parents checking in with how their children are doing at school.